Hi, welcome to Jake's Guitar Bar. In this video I just want to go over some ideas for beginners with regards to amps, and we're going to start is your home computer. It's a good alternative and lots of software out there. Some comes free with Mac. Benefit is you've got all sorts of amplifiers inbuilt within software and effects. You can record a track, good for practice, and also you can put your headphones on and you won't disturb anyone. You can take your laptop anywhere and you've got an amp wherever you go. The only thing you need really is an audio interface to plug your guitar into, and from there the interface into the computer into a digital audio workstation, and there you go. I've recorded a short clip which I'll go over just to show you briefly how it works, and hopefully be able to share my screen and just go over a few bits there. So yeah, I'll show you that now. This is how I built the track. I'm on a Mac, so all Macs come with a copy of GarageBand, which is a stripped back version of Logic Pro, which is a professional digital audio workstation. So this is inside GarageBand, and as you can see, the good point is, like I'm saying, for beginners and those who want to use electric guitar, it's a good alternative to an amp. Everyone wants an amp. Of course you're going to want a real amp, but as an alternative to take with you wherever you go, you have all these amps built in, even for acoustic and bass. And as you can see, there's lots to choose from, all based on famous models, and they are all editable. As you can see, if you come down here, click on the editor, you can change the bass, the mids, the treble, the gain, as you would on a real life amp. You can change where the cabinet is mic'd, you can actually change the mic itself, and you can change the cabinet type. So there's lots you can do. I selected for this track one called Starlight Cavern, which is already built in. It has chorus on it, so it's got a few effects. Again, you can go down to the effects. You've got a pedal board where you can add various effects pedals. I kept everything fairly default to what it was already preset at. Yeah, so right, let's get into how I built the track. And this is why it's good for beginners to put on your headphones and practice and layer things up. So I started out, I selected a drummer and selected a tempo, kept it fairly simple. You can change the complexity of how the drummer plays with fills and all parts of drums that he uses. So I kept it fairly straightforward, just to get a beat going. And then I came down and added my rhythm track. I recorded the rhythm track with a looper pedal, and as you can see from the clip, I started my recording my loop, and then when I got to the end, I let it cycle through once more and then cut it off, and then went on to record over that with a solo. So we've got our drummer, play the rhythm over the top, hit record. Come back to the start, record again, same amp I've chosen here, and there we go, we record again and we put our solo over the top. And there you see how easy it is just to start building a track, which either if you want to use it to release tracks to friends or however you want to do your recording, it's just quick and simple, and you can delete it and just start again. Also, what's good is if you've recorded, say, your solo and you're happy with it, but you want to change the sound, once it's there, you can actually change and manipulate the amp, and that will change the sound or change the amp completely. But you've still got the original recording, you're just changing the sound. And you can also add an audio track for voice. So yeah, really straightforward and simple, and something that maybe beginners should look into quite early to practice in private and record and monitor your progress. So that's how you do it. Anyway, be sure to check out more on jakesguitarbar.com, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video, which will be about real life amps.